Daily long bike rides force forward lean posture, stressing your lower back and neck over time. Constant vibrations and sitting cause chronic lower back muscle strain and pain. Long hours on the bike compress spinal discs, leading to bulging or degeneration. Helmet weight and forward gaze strain your neck and shoulders every day. Daily riding weakens your core while legs get strong, making your back work harder. Over months, fatigue builds into chronic lower back and hip pain. Engine and road vibrations slowly damage your spine and discs daily. Daily long rides take a toll: back pain, neck strain, tired muscles, and joint stress.